Hey everybody, this video going to be short video how to deliver work and not deliver, to ask work from your design team. So you will not get a mistakes, you will not send it 10 times and they really understand what you want from them. Okay, it's also very frustrating for a designer with some clients send him like things that he don't really understand what he want. Of course he don't deliver what the client think, and the difference between what you mean and what the designer understand, it's huge. Okay, so I ask from my team now to make 2 app icons, 2 feature graphics, and 4 screenshots. Like you see, it's clear what I ask. They don't need to ask me. I even can mark it here in yellow, so it's even going to be more clear. One more thing that I put to my team, it's also going to put a video link of this link so they understand what they need to do. And now we started because they're going also to see it. Cool. So we start with the icons. Icons, I always make it in one style. I show to my team examples of similar icons. So I want one icon this style, okay, and one icon this style. And you can basically need 2 icons. Such style can use one of them in 4 EPC files. I add them like files I will show later as these files. This one, for example, number 2 can be good option for the icon, so you can use it. Okay, and now we're going to the feature graphic. Icon size, also something that you need always to add, because it's Android app, so I can put icon size of 500 on 500. Okay, it's the Android size. iOS is twice. Now feature graphic. I like the graphics of feature of brand, call to action, no need show the game, and this is the size. You can use the images again that I put in EPS files, and need to be style of riddles. It's what I did. Okay, it's what I did. Example, the feature graphic going to be here in the App Store. Okay, in the top. It's not a screenshot. They don't need to show the game. The screenshot need to show the game. Feature graphic need to be brandy and very cool. Okay, need to show it's quality game. We go a little down. Okay, so I need from this 2 feature graphics, and you can make it freestyle and use it for riddle game. One thing what I forget to put, it's link to the game in the top. When you make something, you must put link of the game. Okay, if you don't have links, so you don't put link, of course. But if you have links, so it's something you must put. I can make a different color and make the link clickable. Again, it's things that very clear for people who use it, but not everybody know. The link need to be clickable so they can click on it. I know it's basics, but not everybody use it. So you saw my example. Again, I want these 2 styles of graphics, is the size, enjoy. For screenshot of app, I want them landscape. Landscape, it's mean like this. Okay, not portrait, but it's stand. Some of them, I guess, again, don't know different. It's critical because landscape screenshots look much better in Google Store. It's like in big screen. I think I talked about it in the last video. Now I put to my team a link from Dropbox. If you don't use Dropbox and you don't know what is Dropbox, it's cloud service that you can put all what you want and you can send links. I guess 99% of you use it. If you don't use it, it's the time to open Dropbox. Like 2 GB as free. After you pay very small money to cloud your things, very safe and work amazingly for me. I use also Google Dropbox for big files and Google Drive for small files. I don't know why, but it's what I do. Okay, it's Google Drive, by the way. Example. is the type of screenshots I want. Okay, I want screenshots with this one going to be in the corner and going to be some subtitle. Okay, the image was going to be in the corner and going to be some subtitle. I put you already here all these EPS files for the screenshots. I also use them, which you're going to use first, which second, and which third. For the screenshot, I'm going to go to the files tool so I can show you. I put the images of from the store and use for first one, for second one, and so it's going to be clear to the designer. Again, sizes is the size I want, not because it's must. I like this size because it's good for all the resolutions, look very good. And now the type of the screenshot I want. I want the first screenshot. Again, remember, is the style I want. Again, he need to be in the corner, more smaller. Okay. In the first screenshot, going to be something like this that you need to create. You can create it for the Riddle style. Best Riddle game here, and January 2017 contest here. Create something like this, very cool. It's going to be in the right side here, like a badge. The image going to be here. Okay, you don't need to put any subtitle in the screenshot, in the first one, only this badge. Now the second screenshots is what we're going to use for the first one. Second screenshots is going to be against and the image I send you and some subtitle, Hours of Fun for Your Kids. Third, again, the third image I send you, this one. You can put it in the right side here if you want, not in the left, and use here. Activities for development, and the last one, download now for free, call to action. Okay, you can make like cool button. By the way, I forget to put, if you download now, deadline, you must put a deadline. I paid two days deadline because I want to make it fast, because I need to show you next videos, and I need to promote this app. Pack like this need to cost between, not with me, okay? If you want, you can ping me and I can help you. You can go to my site and leave message, but for general, not everybody know. Pack like this, 2 icons, 2 features for screenshot need to cost around $50 to $200. Of course, you will find people who want to make it also $1,000, but $50 it's really fair price from teams from East Asia, like from Pakistan. It's not really East Asia, but from India, from Vietnam. It's fair price to pay for good designer. If you're going to go to Europe, East Europe, it already can be close to 200. And again, it's really depends the level of design. If you get amazing designer from Pakistan, it's also worth $100. So he's going to work on it all day and make for you amazing level. It's really worth it because you're going to make it most of the time, only one time, and it's what brings you the downloads. Okay, people see your screenshots, see your icons, see your feature, and it's what brings the downloads. And also going to talk about next episode about the video. So it's worth the price. Sometimes your app maybe cost, you maybe make a skin that your app's not cost too much, and you say, hey, how will you pay so much for the screenshots? So if you find good team, it's worth it. What else important? You're going to share the file with your team. If you don't, again, who don't use Google Drive, I don't talk about the guys who know, you need to make this file not private. You need to make it public so people can find him and use him. Okay, and you're going to send him a file. I use for management, I use a system called Trello. I'm going to show you Trello for 1 second. I have many type of boards. Okay, I'm going now to board of partnership. and open new task, screen graphics for the you set up here. It's very cool. Trello, you can register for free. I use the member, I find my member team, WhatsApp, I put the link, I can take it like this one, and then it's put me in search. It's very cool. Who don't use it, is it time to open your Trello. Okay, I put the link and I put a task. Hey, please see the task, need it ASAP for new series, new videos, good I make, please provide price, deadline short. Okay, so I give him a deadline, I give him an option. Again, it's my team, so they don't really need to give me price. I mean, they take money, but it's not like I send freelancer. It's better to set up it before you send it, you know, the task, the whole task, like I said now, and that's it. I hope it helped you to understand how to send the task to your team, but also they will understand what to do and they will make what you want. Like this you can avoid redesign every time, and basically most of the designers, again, it's also a little secret. When you send your work and you close price with somebody, they, first of all, if they see you don't really in the business and you don't understand exactly what you want, automatically the price go up. Okay, I will tell you it's 100% true, because first of all I do it like this. When I have some client who don't really understand what you want, I automatically make the price more higher if it's on task, like it's not like a very clear task, not because he knew, because he don't want what he need. So I guess I will need to talk with him more time. It will take from me more time, and time equal to money, so I get more money for it. So if you're going to be clear what you want and you're going to make a video like I did, again, you can make it more short, because here I explain it. You can make it like, hey, my icon want like this, 111 screenshot, like 1 minute, 2 minutes video. So the designer, hey, the guy know what he need, so I know what to do. It will take me 2 hours. If you're going to send a video, like if you're going to send a task, hey, I want new icon, how much is it going to cost? I don't know, maybe 200. I don't know what you want. They need to give you some price because you want the job. Okay, so, and also can happen, and it's also very critical, can happen that you're going to close a job with small price, and you say yourself, hey, I'm going to win this on this designer, and I close it very small price, and he agree. You don't believe what's going to happen later. He will going to give you something, but you don't really think about it. You're going to ask him refund, and he will tell, hey, I work on it 3 hours, and it will not finish. So it's very important to be clear what you want. And so sorry for so long video for so simple thing, but it's critical. And if I already make all these videos, so it's going to be the second video in the series, how to send work to your designer. Thank you very much. I hope it's helped. Again, comments in YouTube, subscribe in YouTube. Make it now. Bye bye.